All right, class. So, what we're going to be discussing today, yesterday we spoke about green technologies, and today we're going to be talking about green standards of building. Okay, so if we look at our announcement for today, okay, it says Wednesday, green standards, and we're going to be having a task on sustainable design. Okay, so if we go to content, okay, this is where our content will lay. Okay, if you go to technology and the environment, let me just make that visible to you. I'm going to make all of these visible because, okay, so if we go to green building standards, so that's what we're going to be discussing today. Let me just minimize it. The green building standards. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do is you're going to click on the green building standards under technology and the environment, and you're going to view this video here. And this is what this is telling you is talking about green standards of design in building. Okay, so you're going to watch that video, and we would continue from there. After that video, if you come to the left here, you're going to click on Green Standards, and the Green Standards and Green Technology presentation will appear. Okay, and you can read this on your own. I'm going to try to make a video on it. I'm just kind of me discussing it, but for the most part, all the information lies within here, which may help you for your assignment. Okay, okay, so I wanted to show you what the assignment was for today's task. So if you go under assignments and you go, again, let me just make these visible to you. If you go under assignments and you go under the sustainable design, I'm just going to make this visible again. I'm just going to view it as a student so I can see what you're seeing here. So go to assignments and you're going to go to sustainable design. You're going to just click on this right here. Okay, your task for this this assignment is you are going to watch this video. Okay, so this video is about a man who built a home that is 100% out of recycled materials, 100% eco-friendly. And he is going to give you a tour of his home. He's going to discuss all the resources and tools and material that he used to build this home. Okay, and as you're watching this video, if you click here under sustainable home questions, you're going to answer questions based on this video. So I'm just going to open that up here for you to see. Okay, so you're going to open that Word document up, okay, and you're going to wait up here on that where it says protected view here. And what you're going to do is you're going to write enable editing. So this way you can just use this Word document and answer the questions from the video directly on this Word document. Just make sure you save it because you need to upload it again. Okay, so as the video is going, and this is these questions numbers 1 through 18. Okay, these all are in order of the video. Okay, so as you're watching the video, you can pause the video and answer the questions. So the questions are pretty straightforward. What are the exterior finishes of the house? He'll explain that to you. I also linked the video up here on the Word document just in case the video on D2L doesn't work. And I also have it on D2L too, a link to it. Okay, so you're going to watch this video. I believe it's less than a half hour, and you're going to answer these questions based on the video. And then you're going to submit that by uploading a file, adding a file, and then you're going to submit that to me. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, this lesson, or sorry, this task for you to complete. Okay, good luck.